And numbers the county shared with us show that there are more cases in Hamburg than any other town in Erie County. So what are leaders doing about it? 2 on Your Side's Ron Plants took questions to the town supervisor today as we hold people in power accountable.
Those numbers do speak for themselves to give Hamburg that dubious distinction as the town with the highest number of cases, in this case the specific 14075 zip code with 234 cases as of Saturday, November 14th. And despite its actual population of nearly 42,000 people, that zip code area, which covers portions of Hamburg, Scranton, and Wanaka, and North Boston, has a sobering infection rate, an average of nearly 80 daily new cases if judged on the base level stat of a 7-day average in an area of 100,000 people. So why this gateway of the South Towns community?
There are a lot of explanations or excuses as to why the cases have proliferated. We've had a couple of super spreader events. We've had laxity in terms of restaurants and bars and parties and activity on Halloween.
Supervisor Shaw would not provide details on those so-called super spreader events which occurred over the last 6 to 8 weeks. He did point out the town has 2 large school districts, Hamburg Central and Frontier, as well as St. Francis High School.
So we've got a lot of occasion for contact on a continuous basis.
Shaw says he'd like to see more testing availability for the town residents. He says there is no specific testing location in Hamburg currently, but also understands county resources are limited. So in the meantime, what can he do?
We're going to ask local law enforcement to be a little more stringent in terms of enforcement of rules and regulations, and we're going to have to do a better job of social distancing, wearing masks, and doing all the things we know we've got to do.
We'll hear more from Hamburg Supervisor Shaw coming up at 6 o'clock. Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.